Behind me is the only property on Stoneyplain Avenue that sits on a double lot. But before we get to that, I want to show you the beautiful community that we're in, Sherwood Park. What I love about Sherwood Park is its security and its sense of community here. So as we're out for a walk, we get to see people and seeing the neighbors, and we're always waving to them, and you get to really know the folks that you're living near, which adds a sense of security in your neighborhood where everybody knows each other. It's so incredible and hard to explain. You have to live here to really get it. It's a very family-oriented neighborhood, and we have so many amenities here between the dog trails, the Q-plex, walking trails that we have here. We're so close to nature, being close to the Kennebecasis River here, and at the same time, you are moments from the highway and the ferry going to the Kingston Peninsula. Down here right now at the Gondola Point Beach, which is just moments from Stoneyplain, which has not only a public beach, but also a dog park beach here behind me. I mean, how much more community orientated can you get than this? As you're stepping in, there's two excellent choices to be made. We have 2 bedrooms down with 1 full bathroom and 3 bedrooms up with 1 full bathroom. Let's go check them out. We have 3 bedrooms tucked away at the end of the hall here. Let's do a speed round and check them out. 1 bedroom here, 2 bedroom, and 3. This is the main bedroom with 2 closets and a little walk-in. The owners here took all of the carpet out from upstairs and replaced it with these beautiful hardwood floors. So nice. So one thing that's super interesting about this house is the amount of ceiling fans that are in here. So I want you to keep track of the amount of ceiling fans that you see throughout this video, because there's going to be a lot of them in this house. So let me know down in the comments. Another thing that there's a lot of in this house is sunrooms. So behind me here, we have this beautiful sunroom with all kinds of natural light. And not only is there all kinds of natural light, it's just a perfect space to really unwind and enjoy the day. Sitting here, kicking back, having a nice fresh cup of coffee in the morning, looking out your massive window here, it's pretty incredible. The great thing about this kitchen here is the amount of space and how cozy it is too. You have natural light coming from all directions here in the kitchen, and what amplifies that even more is these beautiful archways that let in even more natural light into this space. This has so much potential to me. This is one of my favorite spaces in the entire home, and it's because of the view behind me and just the immense amount of space that this room has. As you're sitting here enjoying company, you have this amazing view overlooking the Kennebecasis River right from your living room, and it's a view of the water that is so irreplaceable. It just adds a sense of serenity to this space. This is one of my favorite spaces in the entire house too, because you wouldn't even believe that we're in the basement right now because of all this natural light. And behind me, which is a feature of this basement living room, is this beautiful fireplace, which would heat this whole house up during those cold winter nights. Now, let's talk about the downstairs bedrooms, because you wouldn't even believe that you're in a basement with all the natural light that's down here. Coming in from the garage, you have all this space here for hanging up jackets, kind of like a little bit of a basement mudroom. But one of my favorite things down here is this bedroom, because teenage me would love this room. There's all kinds of space in here. You have the natural light, a huge closet over here, and it's almost got this cozy cabin feel to it, which I just can't shake off me. So sitting here right now, one thing that you'll notice is just how peaceful everything is around here. You know, we're sitting here right now, middle of the day, and it is just so relaxing. Not only does it have a water view, but the current owners were so intuitive that they decided to put a cabin on the deck. This is actually right now a room that's detached from the house, but it's still living area. The size of the double lot just makes this perfect for family. Even the bathroom embodies this theme of cozy but spacious. You wouldn't believe how much stuff you can fit in here. Properties like this, with a double lot, horseshoe driveway, and a gorgeous view of the Kennebecasis River, do not last long in this neighborhood. So if you want to learn more, make sure you reach out to me or your local real estate agent. My name is Brandon Vincent, and this has been your tour of 26 Stoneyplain Avenue, Quispamsis, New Brunswick.